So, you're telling me you want to fix that hunch you got from staring at your phone all day? It's like we've evolved to become these tech-addicted cave people, hunched over, staring at these glowing rectangles. But it doesn't have to be this way. We're going to walk you through 12 exercises that'll help straighten out that posture. We're talking about realigning your spine, strengthening your back, opening up those chest muscles. It's like building a house, man. You need a solid foundation. These exercises are your foundation for a strong, upright body that can handle whatever life throws at you. Let's start with the foundation of good posture, the neck. Chin tucks combat that tech neck from staring at our phones. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Lengthen your neck, tuck your chin towards your chest. Hold it for a few seconds. Feel the stretch. Do this regularly and your neck will feel better. Trust me, your neck will thank you. Next up, we're targeting those neglected muscles in your upper back, the ones that get all weak and stretched out from slouching. We're talking about shoulder blade squeezes. Imagine you're trying to pinch a pencil between your shoulder blades. Squeeze those shoulder blades together, hold it, and release. You should feel it in your upper back, between your shoulder blades. This is where those postural muscles live that are crucial for good posture. Think about it. When you're hunched over, your chest caves in, and your shoulders round forward. This exercise counteracts that, strengthening those back muscles to pull your shoulders back into alignment. It's like giving your body a posture reset button. You're reminding those muscles what they're supposed to be doing, holding you upright and strong. Alright, let's talk about wall angels. It sounds graceful, right? It's all about restoring lost shoulder mobility. We spend so much time hunched over, our shoulders round forward. Wall angels help combat that. Stand with your back flat against a wall, arms in a W position. Slide your arms up overhead, keeping contact with the wall. It's like making a snow angel, but on the wall. Feel the stretch in your chest and shoulders. Wall angels release tension and improve posture. Chapter 4. Cat-cow stretch. Channel your inner animal for spinal flexibility. Let's tap into our primal instincts with the cat-cow stretch. This one's all about spinal flexibility. Think about how a cat moves. They're incredibly agile and have great range of motion. We're going to mimic that. Start on all fours, hands shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart. Inhale, drop your belly, arch your back like a cow, and look up. Exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Flow between these two poses, feeling each vertebra in your spine move. This is like a massage for your spine, man. It's improving mobility, releasing tension, and getting those discs lubricated. We're talking about long-term spinal health here. It's about moving your body the way it was designed to move, fluidly and freely. Chapter 5. Chest opener stretch. Unleash your inner superhero. Alright, it's time to open up that chest and unleash your inner superhero. We're talking about the chest opener stretch. This one's crucial for combating that hunched over posture we get from sitting too much. Find a doorway or a corner. Place your forearms on either side of the doorway, elbows slightly below shoulder height. Step forward with one foot, leaning into the stretch. Feel that stretch across your chest and the front of your shoulders. Hold it there, breathe deeply, and feel the tension melt away. This is where we store a lot of stress in our chest and shoulders. This stretch helps to release that stress, improve flexibility, and counteract that rounded shoulder posture. You'll be standing taller, breathing easier, and projecting confidence like a superhero in no time. Chapter 6. Plank. Building a core stronger than a fortress. Let's talk about the plank. It's a full-body exercise for core strength and good posture. Think of your core as the foundation of your house. Start in a push-up position, hold your body straight. Engage your core, tuck your pelvis, squeeze your glutes. Hold as long as you can with good form. Feel it in your core, shoulders and back. Build strength and endurance in key postural muscles. A strong core means better support for your spine. Chapter 7. Bird Dog. Unleash your inner animal for balance and stability. Get ready to tap into your inner animal again with the bird dog exercise. This one's all about balance, stability, and strengthening those core and back muscles. Start on all fours, hands shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart. Engage your core and maintain a neutral spine. Now simultaneously extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold for a second, then slowly lower back down and repeat on the other side. You should feel it in your core, back, and glutes. This exercise challenges your balance and coordination while strengthening those key postural muscles. It's like training your body to be more aware of its position in space, improving stability and reducing the risk of injury. Chapter 8. Seated row. Row your way to a stronger back. Let's hit the gym, virtually, with the seated row. This exercise targets your back muscles, crucial for pulling your shoulders back and maintaining good posture. Sit down on the cable machine, feet flat on the platform, grasping the handles with an overhand grip. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Pull the handles towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold for a second, then slowly release the weight back to the starting position. You should feel it in your upper back between your shoulder blades. This exercise strengthens those muscles responsible for pulling your shoulders back, counteracting that hunched-over posture we get from sitting too much. It's like giving your back muscles a workout, making them stronger and more capable of holding you upright. Chapter 9. Thoracic extension. Unlocking your upper back's potential. Let's unlock some mobility in your upper back with thoracic extension exercises. This area tends to get stiff from hunching over, so we need to mobilize it. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Place a foam roller or rolled-up towel across your upper back, perpendicular to your spine. Lie back over the foam roller, supporting your head with your hands. Gently arch your upper back over the roller, feeling a stretch in your chest and upper back. Hold for a few seconds, then move the roller up or down your spine, targeting different areas. This is like giving your upper back a deep tissue massage, releasing tension, improving mobility, and restoring your natural spinal curves. Chapter 10. Hip flexor stretch. Unlocking your hips, unlocking your posture. Don't underestimate the importance of flexible hip flexors for good posture. Tight hip flexors can pull your pelvis forward, leading to an exaggerated arch in your lower back. We're going to fix that with the hip flexor stretch. Kneel down on your right knee with your left foot forward in a lunge position. Gently push your hips forward, feeling a stretch in the front of your right hip. Hold this position, breathing deeply and feeling the tension release. Repeat on the other side. This stretch helps to lengthen those tight hip flexors, allowing your pelvis to tilt back into a more neutral position, which can improve your posture and reduce lower back pain. Chapter 11. Bridge. Bridging the gap to a stronger posterior chain. Get ready to build a bridge to a stronger posterior chain. That's your back, glutes, and hamstrings. These muscles are essential for supporting your spine and maintaining good posture. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Lift your hips off the ground, pushing through your heels until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for a second, then slowly lower back down. You should feel it in your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This exercise strengthens those muscles, improving your ability to maintain an upright posture. Chapter 12. Child's pose. Finding your zen and decompressing your spine. Time to unwind and de-stress with child's pose. This restorative yoga pose is all about lengthening the spine, releasing tension in the back, and calming the mind. Kneel on the floor with your knees wider than hip-width apart and your feet together behind you. Sit back on your heels, or as close as you can comfortably get, and fold forward, resting your forehead on the floor. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms facing down. Hold this pose, breathing deeply, and feeling the stretch in your back, shoulders, and hips. It's like a gentle hug for your spine, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. Outro: stand tall, live better. So there you have it, 12 exercises to help you fix that slump and stand tall. Remember, good posture isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about reducing pain, preventing injuries, and moving through life with confidence. Make these exercises a part of your regular routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. Your body will thank you for it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join the community. We're all about exploring ways to optimize our health and well-being. Stay tuned for more.